Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to clean install macOS Sonoma on your Mac. So let's get started. Before performing a clean install, ensure you backup all important data. You can use Time Machine or any other backup method you prefer. Firstly, navigate to the Apple menu, System Settings, and tap on the General and tap on the Time Machine. If you are using macOS Ventura or later, if you are using an older version, then you need to open System Preferences instead of System Settings. Then add the external storage device you have connected to your Mac in step 1 as your backup disk and wait for Time Machine to completely backup your Mac. Disconnect the external backup storage device so that you don't accidentally delete any files stored on it when performing the clean install of macOS Sonoma. Now you will first need to upgrade to macOS Sonoma using a standard system upgrade by following these steps. Open the system settings and navigate to the software update section and locate in the General tab on new version of macOS and click upgrade now to download the Sonoma installer. Wait for the installer to download and then confirm your decision to install the new version of macOS. Then restart your Mac to finish the installation of macOS Sonoma. Now that your Mac is upgraded to macOS Sonoma, you are ready for the last step of the clean install process using the erase all content and setting option to wipe all data. In order to do that, open System Settings, select the General and then find and click on the Transfer or Reset and click on the Erase all content and settings option. You will have to enter your admin password to launch the Erase All Content and Settings Assistant. Then simply review the settings, data and media that will be removed and click on the Continue. Then sign out of your Apple ID and then click Erase All Content and Settings in the next prompt to confirm your decision. Now you have successfully clean installed macOS Sonoma on your Mac using the simplified Erase All Content and Setting options. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.